Today I'm going to teach you how to translate email text to a different language in Outlook. This is incredibly useful when you're working with international colleagues or clients and need to quickly understand messages written in other languages without leaving your email application. Let's start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the full range of Outlook's features, including the translation tools we'll be using today. After your emails have finished loading, navigate to your inbox pane. This is where all your received emails are stored and organized. You'll see a list of your messages displayed in the main viewing area. From your inbox pane, locate the specific email you want to translate. Once you've found it, double-click on it to open the full message. This step is important because the translation feature only works when you have the email open in its own window, not just previewing it in the reading pane. Now that your email is open, look up at the toolbar ribbon at the top of the window. You'll see various tabs, and you need to find the one labeled Message or Home, depending on your Outlook version. Under this tab, look for the Translate drop-down option. This is typically found in the Language section of the ribbon. Click on this Translate drop-down to reveal your options. Before you can translate, you'll want to set up your preferred language. From the drop-down menu, click on Translation Preferences. A new translation settings window will appear on your screen. This is where you can customize which language Outlook should translate messages into by default. In this translation window, you'll see an option to add a preferred language. Click on this option and browse through the available languages until you find the one you want. Once you've located your preferred language, click on it to select it. You'll notice a button on the right side of the window that says Set as Preferred. Click this button to confirm your choice. This ensures that future translations will automatically use this language without you needing to select it each time. Once you've configured your preferred language, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your settings and close the Translation Preferences dialog. Now you're ready to actually translate your email. Go back to the Translate dropdown in the toolbar and click on it again. This time, instead of going into Preferences, you'll see an option that says Translate Message. Click on this option. Outlook will now process the email and convert the text into your chosen language. Depending on the length of the email, this might take just a moment. You'll see the translated text appear either alongside or replacing the original text, depending on your Outlook version. This allows you to read and understand the email content in your preferred language instantly. And there you have it. You've successfully translated an email in Outlook and set up your preferred language for future translations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.